Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about network marketing strategies that work. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Network marketing residual strategies that work. There are hundreds of network marketing strategies that work. So when you find a product that you believe in, this is the best time to get involved. Here are the network marketing recurring strategies that work. Building relationship building will go a long way in boosting customer service. Your product will have a customer base, so when a customer issues a service request, you can quickly refer them to other better service. When you have an information product, you need to market it to all the users of the internet. You can do this by offering affiliate marketing tips for beginners. You can advertise it on specific sites, blogs, or forums. You can also offer marketing software to sell it to others in the information product. The first three strategies are extremely powerful network marketing tips for beginners. The last one is the most powerful of all. Most of the top internet marketers are using it now. You must try to perfect it. Your product has to go viral. This is the tip that will drive most people to your site. You can get a one-step autoresponder that lets you do things like automated email follow-up, create video calls and let people send an email with an autoresponder. These are the tips that can help you get your first sale. These are the strategies that network marketing has been built on for years. Creating a recurring strategy is a powerful recurring strategy. You can create a way to track your sales, generate recurring revenue and let you build your own support system for your business. This is the most powerful network marketing recurring strategy. You can use this to your advantage and use it to increase your income each month. If you want to use a repeatable, yet set it up in a way that allows you to keep making sales, creating goals is the best. You can set the goals that you want to make and you can follow up your customers to help you reach the goals. This is a very powerful network marketing recurring strategy. You can sell affiliate marketing tips for beginners and use affiliate marketing software to automate the whole process. This will allow you to build a list of customers who will purchase from you and send your list the details of your product. The benefits of having repeat customers are hard to ignore. There are hundreds of network marketing strategies that work. Using one of these is best. These are the strategies that you should use in order to learn how to grow your business. The best network marketing strategies for beginners can be found at your local forum. There are people who have been through the learning process and are willing to share with you. You can also find a training course on the internet. Network marketing strategies that work, important MLM tips for beginners. I heard many network marketing strategies that work, as well as MLM tips for beginners. Here are the simplest MLM tips for beginners. The most important step is to define your goals. People in the business generally won't do business with people they don't know very well. So, when you're first joining a network marketing opportunity, you need to define your goals. Know what you're looking for and be able to tell the other people on the business that you are there to do business with. When setting expectations, you need to set it clearly and in a way that will provide clarity. For example, a lot of people expect to make money on commissions in 5 days. So, why 5 days? Or, a person that expects to meet, pay, and communicate frequently with someone else, often set expectations like a fly-by-night. Unless this was your goal, you probably will not reach it. This is a key component to success. And as with all things in life, know what you're looking for and have a clear set of expectations. Working long hours is fine, as long as you set realistic expectations. A nice reason to work a set number of hours is to have a change of pace and a chance to get away from it all. But as I mentioned in my previous article, I'm sure you want to earn money. Then I'm suggesting that you develop a working method that has you working at your most productive time. In the first part of network marketing strategies that work, you want to be ready for the phone calls. Many people believe that this means you need to be exceptionally adept with the telephone and you need to read the phone numbers of your prospects. While this is important, it does not mean you have to be on the phone for hours on end. Another thing you should be sure to have is a comfortable number. Many people will spend hours on the phone. If you don't have a comfortable number, you will be the one to suffer. Many people are coming to network marketing with the belief that you have to be on the phone and that it takes hours to see progress. This is the biggest mistake that you can make in the beginning. Be honest about your results. We all want to be productive, yet others are paying you to be lazy. And that is what you will not get. When I first got started, I spent hours talking with people about what I was doing. I wasn't really honest with them about the amount of money I was making and how much I was making. Be kind and friendly. Many people in the business to work long hours and are often rude to others. In fact, many people think of the people they're paying to be rude as part of the network marketing strategy. This is a mistake. You can show people that you are professional in your approach and at the same time, give them reasons to work with you. Ask them to speak to other people on the phone for you and to do more specific, individualized work. If you have the phone number, you can set up a meeting. If you have the name of the person, you can have that person call them. In my network marketing strategies for beginners, I gave specific examples of many other things you can do with a personal computer. You can be productive with it, and at the same time, be kind and friendly. Again, working is not the goal here. Network marketing strategies for beginners. Network marketing is all about obtaining influence through the structure of reciprocal relationships between potential clients. The network marketers are in the position to make good deals and gain success by cultivating the right network relationships. The work is exhausting and requires dedication. Network marketing strategies that work for beginners is to learn what will bring the best results for an individual while minimizing costs. The biggest key to successful network marketing strategies knows the clientele that will respond to the offer. The most profitable prospects have certain characteristics that clients are looking for in their success. The clients that successfully sell do have certain characteristics and the goals to become successful marketers. This article will provide network marketing tips for beginners that will help a person gain success. The biggest great thing about becoming a network marketing veteran is being a key distributor for a top-selling product. This can be done by the work of network marketing tips for beginners. Acquiring the right network structure is what will allow a person to be successful with the products that they are selling. The role of the distributors is to find people that have been introduced to the product by the distributor and introduce them to the right people for their products. Marketing is important for the most effective network. The choice of the products is important, but the most effective product is a direct marketer that is a leader in the MLM. The leaders of the network should be selling highly popular products that most people like to buy. A good amount of the research is done on the average demographics that can be attracted to the product being sold. Networking is part of the whole structure of MLM. In order to have success with the network, a person must make more connections. Networking depends on people being able to acquire the right contacts that can be beneficial to them. Networking begins with individuals that do not have direct contact with the distributor. The goal is to increase the number of contacts that are making a good performance. The network makes money and helps promote sales. The main drivers for the sales are the lead, which is referred to as products. The lead is the one that reaches the consumers, and the product that will deliver the leads to the end consumer. The leads that the distributor is trying to accomplish are the buyers. The buyers can be either the signers or the non-signers. The distributors must succeed in this goal to be a successful networker. The potential sales market is the set of people that can be attracted to the network products. The product that reaches the potential sales market is the most important product to be sold to get success. The product must be able to get in front of the consumers and deliver the leads to them. The product will fail to sell if it is too cheap. The best set of network products that can bring a person success is the one that is the most sought after by people. This means that the product must be considered a good product. A good product is one that has better than average products or higher than average features. The demand will be high when the product is something that is sought after by the public. Networking is important to find the best product. Networking must be given the advantage to reach the top-selling products. The best way to get the next best-selling product is to be the next best-selling product. The products that are discovered the best will get to be the most preferred and, by extension, the most sought after by the public. With the right network marketing tips for beginners, anyone can be successful. The key to success is being able to find the right products that can be marketed to the masses to get the best results. Thanks for watching my video about network marketing strategies that work. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.